Stupid Bitcoin, repeat with me. Stupid Bitcoin, stupid Bitcoin. I want to make a remix on this one. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's BTC update for this idiot once again. And I just want to say that it does make sense for Bitcoin to actually pull back to 45,000, $46,000 level. Yesterday in the announcements, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. The link is in this description. Guys, it's so easy to enter Discord. Just go to the description of the video. You're gonna get a link right there. Tap on it and you're in. Simple as that. It takes hardly 5 seconds to do that. So I noticed Bitcoin forming a cup and handle and found support. If it plays, it's gonna go to $46,000. Of course, later on, I said that cup and handle is not gonna play out, and we're looking for more dumps, but that didn't happen either. Now, what I want to say is this head and shoulder that I'm just gonna remove right there, and then I'm gonna remove this right here. Now here we are. Now a quick recap about Bitcoin on a higher time frame, if I zoom out, is that we found support at this level, as I said previously, right? We have so many supports right there and here as well, and now you're finding one big support right there. So at the moment 39,000 is being supported, right? So don't expect Bitcoin to start dropping anytime soon, but it could. That's the reason why I say this. Stupid Bitcoin. But the thing is, I just noticed that let's treat 39,000 as a level of support right now. This $39,000, and let's take the fib retracement from 69,000 all the way down to $39,000 right now. And at least Bitcoin for me does make sense that it can go all the way to back to the 0.236 if it was to get rejected. Do you understand that? 0.236. So go to the 0.236, which is going to be 45,138. Now on the 4-hour time frame though, that this cup and handle became an extended one actually. It is actually a cup and handle, and if you don't know anything about cup and handles, you have a bold shape kind of chart pattern, and then you have the handle itself. So that you have that cup, that handle, and there's a bullish patterns, by the way. And when you break out of the cup and handle, so you take the top to the bottom right there, and when you break out of it, that's gonna take you to 46,572. That means that you're going back to that trend line once again, and maybe potentially get rejected here to go down. And you're also going to 0.236 at the moment. So anything could happen. It could be that you move sideways like this, and then you go up, then you come down to retest the trend line. So it depends. If you go now, you're gonna go to the trend line. If you go later, after some few days, maybe after 5 days, then you're gonna be going up and breaking the trend line, and you're also going to be breaking 0.236, back test it, and then from here you could even go to $48,000. The reason why I'm actually saying the uptrend at the moment is because there is support at 39,000. Okay, you cannot ignore that this has found support at the moment. Yes, unless we don't start to roll over once again, lose the 39. We're going to talk about that one later. Of course, I've been saying this back to back in the videos. Lose this wick right down there, and then you're going to potentially go lower to the 33 to the 34, $35,000. Unless you just don't lose support, don't entertain the idea of going down. And Bitcoin has been in a downtrend for a couple of weeks now, so I don't think it even does make sense to start go all the way down. Now the next thing that I saw on the weekly time frame is a spinning top, and these are actually positive regarding the price action to go to the upside. Now what I want to see even for Bitcoin actually is that Bitcoin goes all the way, breaks the $55,000, backtest the 55,000, and then we're going to be looking to go to the $97,000 region, and it could happen, let's see. But the next thing that I want to talk about is that so many projects are making reversals at the moment. They are making reversal. One spinning top we saw in an uptrend back in the days, up and 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 up. You saw this spinning top. Do you see that? That was a spinning top, and then the prices reversed and went down. And as we were going down and down and down and down and down and down, finally we've made spinning top right there, and we're looking to go to the upside. Now this one failed. Okay, that's the problem. The problem with spinning top is that they don't tell you 100% that the prices will reverse, but there is more chances of reversing the prices. So this one, it failed. We have to look at this one. So, but in my opinion, this is going to work because there must be a relief rally. If even if you were to go down, you're not going to be going down all the time. Remember, you go down in wave, down, up, down, up, down, then a little bit up, then maybe again down. Do you understand that? Just something that we do in a downtrend as well. So spinning tops are important. Let's go to Google and let's write in spinning top candlestick. Here we are from the images, and I want to show you how they look like. There we go. Exactly. This is something that I want you to pay attention to. So this is known as the bullish spinning top that we see right now for Bitcoin. And if it appears in a downtrend like this, then look what happens next. You're gonna have reversals to the upside. And I've noticed this one with so many projects that they're looking to actually go a little bit back up instead of continuing down. So next week, I don't see any downward pressure anymore. And you know, this candle closes in the next 1 hour, 1 day and 18 hours. So if it does close like this, if it closes like this, it's positive. You're going to see Bitcoin actually continue to go back up. It might even be that this ends here and we start to move back up to $69,000 if you actually just break this trend line. Now, in my opinion, the potential play is this. You have the spinning top, and if you just go a little bit higher here to $47,000, you're going to be putting in something known as a morning star. Now that is also positive. That's bullish. So the first week you're going to go up, put a morning star. The second week you're also going to go more higher, and then maybe from there continue all the way back up just like that, and then you reverse the trend completely to go to the upside. So at the moment, I'm not entertaining the bears. I am not entertaining the bears, not the bulls, but I'm just going to wait to see in 1 day and 18 hours how this spinning top is going to play. If it ends up like this, it's a good idea to actually make a trade, a little bit of a trade. You could actually make like nearly 6% trade of Bitcoin. Yes, that could be done. That's the good news about it. So at the moment, let's see what it does. I'm looking for the cup and handle for Bitcoin to go to 46,000, and if it does go to the $46,000, that's gonna be good based on the candlestick reading. You're gonna have a morning star, and then from there, at least I'm confident the next 14 days you're gonna have the relief. So 14 days, I do think that Bitcoin is actually gonna calm a little bit down. The storm is going to settle, and we're going to have a little bit of greenish weeks ahead of us, and not red anymore at the moment. If we're going to have the red, we're going to look for some bearish candles, and then we're going to talk about it later. But at the moment, there is no bearishness in Bitcoin on the weekly. And yes, the weekly is really a good time frame to actually judge. The higher time frames are much more safe to actually judge something, and this is way more cool because look, when it happened on the top, there was a reversal, went down. When it happens in the bottom, there could be potential reversal and then go up. Simple as that. So that's it for today's Bitcoin update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.